How's it going, G and Efg cats? We are looking at 6.1 Polygon Angle-Sum Theorems today. Okay. Hopefully we can get this through quickly and painlessly. Okay. The sum of the measures of interior angles of an n-gon is n minus 2 times 180. Okay, where n is the number of sides. Okay. Now, remember, sum means you add them all up. So think of a triangle, right? A triangle has 3 sides, right? What's the interior of a triangle add up to? Well, 180, right? And that's because 3 minus 2 times 180 is 180. Okay? Okay. So 1a. Let's find the sum of the interior angles of a 17 gon. Do you know how many sides that has? 17. Okay. So let's do that. So we do our 17 minus, I'll use black for this, minus 2 times 180. 17 minus 2 is 15. 15 times 180 is 2700, and that is our answer, guys. So the sum of the interior angle measures of a 17 gon is 2,700 degrees. Okay. Let's take a look at 2. 1b. The sum of the interior angle measures of a polygon is 1980. Good year. How can you tell the number of sides? So we set up our equation, right? N minus 2 times 180 equals, well, our total, right? 1980. Okay. That's actually the year I was born, guys. So first thing I do is divide by 180. So I get n minus 2 equals, well, according to my calculations, that's 11. Add 2, n equals 13. So 13 sides is how many that the interior polygon with interior angle sum of 1980 has 13 sides. Capiche? Capiche. Now, here's some definitions. Equilateral polygon. Polygon with all congruent sides. Every side is congruent. Okay? Now, does that mean I can say that it has equal angles? No. That's called an equal angular polygon. Because notice how this angle is bigger than this one. It's not like a square or triangle. This one you have all congruent angles, but not all congruent sides. If you have congruent sides and angles, that beast is called a regular polygon. Okay, so like a stop sign is a regular polygon. Has 8 equal sides, 8 congruent angles. Right? Is this a stop sign? Is it? I'll let you think about it. Pause if you need to. I'm going ahead. Corollary to it says that, I actually like this corollary. I'm happy to add in here. Common question you're going to see on testing is, what is the measure of each angle of the regular polygon with so many sides, like n number of sides? Okay. So we do n minus 2 times 180 because that gives you total. Divide that by number of sides, and that'll give you each side, right? Find the total, divide by number of sides, gives you how much each side has. Okay. Not nanogon. Let's see, that has 9 sides, right? So what's the measure of each angle? Well, I just plug into my formula here. 9. I'm plugging 9 in where n goes. 9 minus 2 times 180 divide by 9. 9 minus 2 is 7 times 180. Now divide by 9. You guys want to see something tricky I'm going to do? Equals 7 times 20 equals 140 degrees. Don't be afraid, guys, to plug in some of the stuff in your calculator. I'm just kind of doing this my way because I saw 180 goes in, or 9 goes in 180 20 times. So that's how I got my answer. Okay. Now, here's a different one. What's the measure of angle G and EFG? Okay. First, you need to find total angle measure. And now, a lot of you guys are probably going to be saying, Mr. Willard, I already know it's 360. It's a quadrilateral. But what if you didn't know? So we're going to do our 4 minus 2 times 180, which lo and behold equals 360 degrees. Okay. Next, we're going to find that missing angle, or set up our equation. We'll call it setup. Which is, we're going to call this beast x. We're going to do our 120 plus 85 plus 53 plus x equals 360. Third, solve. So I actually have what, 205, 258 plus x equals 360. So x equals 102 degrees, right? Right. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Done. Okay, some of the measures of the exterior of a polygon is always 360 degrees. Always. Okay. So for this pentagon exterior, or if you extend them out, again, if I had a triangle, my exterior would be if I extend each of these out, right? These would be my exterior angles. Guess what those add up to? 180. These ones add up to, 360. These ones add up to 360. If I made a 100 with 100 sides and I had exterior angles, they'd add up to a 360. Okay? So what's the measure of one exterior angle of a regular nanogon? Well, the total is going to be 360. So to find one, I just divide it by 9 because there's 9 sides, and bada boom, bada bing, it's 40 degrees. Okay, last slide. Never mind, that was the last slide. Enjoy.